Hey guys, just a reminder, the big PCE inflation report is this week, Friday, April 26th. That's going to dictate where stocks go. So here's my plan. I'm going to be buying NVIDIA and SMCI as long as it starts curling up with good buying volume. I don't know when that will be tomorrow. Obviously, it could be first thing in the morning, could be later in the day. Like I said, if you want to be sure, wait till the last hour of trading because that's when the institutions are buying. And if they're buying, that's usually a good sign there's some momentum behind it, okay? So, but I'll be watching that carefully. I'll be entering at some point in the day, hopefully, like I said, once we see a reversal. And then I'm going to play them up until Friday. So I personally, in my short-term account, guys, this is in my short-term account. Want to make sure that's clear. You know my long-term account I have going. Okay, I'm not selling anything there. I'm just adding, right? Especially to the small cap stocks, you know, when there's weaker data and when there's huge dips, okay? So, but with the PCE inflation report, I'll be out in my short-term account before that. And like I said, I'm planning on an oversold bounce starting tomorrow and into Tuesday. And then we have earnings from Meta Wednesday. And then Thursday we have Google and Microsoft. I expect all these companies to have solid reports. So that should lift, okay, these stocks, especially the AI stocks. And you know I like those the most, okay, and the semiconductor stocks. And like I said, you can play those up until, you know, Thursday if you want to get out before market close or after market or even pre-market on Friday. Remember, the PCE inflation report will be dropped 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So you want to get out before then. If you think inflation will come in hotter than expected, I think it most likely will for this report. We know oil prices have remained elevated, okay? And there's a lot of reasons why. You know, we've seen the last three reports show a little bit hotter than expected inflation, except PPI kind of came in, some parts of it were lighter, okay? But if you believe that, then you want to get out of your trades right before that. If you think it's going to come in line with expectations, I think stocks will hold up all right. But the big one, if it comes in lighter than expected, that's when you want to buy those small cap AI stocks that I've been talking about for a while, guys, okay? Those are the interest rate sensitive stocks. Those are the ones that have been beaten up the most, that have the most room to gain, right, when an interest rate cut eventually does happen, all right? So just want to remind you again, PCE inflation, mark that in your calendar, Friday this week, April 26th.